To my channel. Today I'm going to unbox a mini world. So let's do it. So guys, this is only 99 pesos sa SM. Ngayon, unboxing muna natin yung purple. Mamaya na po itong gold. So this, but we're going to go to the instructions. Wait. We're going to open this first. We have this. And the waffle. So this is what we have, but I don't know how to do it. This is cool. And now this gold should be
next na.
Next is this gold mini world. So we're gonna unbox this first. So now we're
Lakas mo.
I cannot open this again.
Go.
Oh my god! We got this again. This is all the instruction. We're going to make it. But we're going to get this first. Go. This is big, guys. I wonder what's in it. Okay, that's good. We got a mini cup.
Pakita.
And that's one.
Wow.
We got this. And eventually we don't have it. So we're gonna look through here. I got this mini book too. It has everything in it. So cute. Okay, bye guys. So that's it guys. Bye. Next time for my next channel. See you next time on my next
nawala. Teka lang. Okay, 1, go.
See you next time on my next vlog. Bye-bye.